Alright, this is a quick unboxing of the Sony E18200 lens. I ended up returning my, I had the, I believe, a 55 to 210 millimeter E-mount lens. Not a bad lens, but I found that outdoors, taking it on and off, going back and forth between the 18-55 and the 55-210, was just kind of obnoxious. Couldn't get all the shots I wanted, so I thought I would give this a try. Obviously a bit more expensive lens, but I think splitting the difference as far as cost and versatility might be worth it. So as you can see, the usual bubble wrap. Not too much fanfare with these, but we got our standard hood. Nothing too special there. This one's got a lock on it. It only locks when it's in the retracted position at the 18 millimeter. You unlock it and then you get the full length to the 200. This one's quite a bit heavier than the other lenses for this system. See, this is a 67 millimeter filter size on this one. So if you've gotten kind of used to the small, very light E-mount lenses, this might be quite an adjustment for you. There's a good bit more weight to it. But I'm looking forward to getting some good shots outside. You can get the nice wide angle shots. This one you do get a little barrel distortion. Just because of the compactness of it, I think. But if you turn on the post-processing features in the camera, there is a lens correction feature that takes care of most of that with your JPEG. With your raw output, you can of course make the corrections yourself in something like Lightroom. But for the most part, for you know, your semi-pro amateur photographer, I think you're going to get some good results with this lens. As far as anything else in the box, it's just the usual paperwork, nothing too special in there. So, looking forward to giving it a try, and I will put some samples in here as well. Thanks.